Hello everybody, this is the June box. I'm here with Michelle, who's you're familiar with, and I'm Mo Constantine. I've ducked out lately, but I'm here again now. And the June box is based on the midsummer. Midsummer was seen as a time when the laws of nature and divinity could be suspended, when spirits and fairies could contact humans, and when humans could exceed the usual limitations of their world. So this is the best I can do as a fairy today. And we've got our fairy.
We've got our flower crowns
on, yeah, so we're doing our bit. Looking up references to an English summer, I found this I thought typified the whole thing. 2 fine days and a thunderstorm. So that we're all familiar with what our English summers are. Do you like to introduce anything from the box yet?
When I open the box, I'm going to make the flower crown to start with. So you've got flowers and you've got some twine that you plait, and you can put the little flowers in, and then you can make your lovely flower crown. And then let's see, I'm going to use soap. So this is your soap, isn't it?
Yes, I've got a nice story to tell you about the soap, and it's in this box. And we were fortunate enough to acquire a box of Jamie Reed images. So it's got lovely illustrations in of, this one is the soap that we're going to talk about, the summer solstice.
You did a whole range of soaps, didn't you, based on Solstice and equinox.
So we looked at them, myself and Mark, and we thought, we don't know what to do with these, but I said, well, I think I can make soaps of them. There's 4 or 5 of them. This is the spring equinox. So they'll be coming out periodically at each solstice this year in our Lush shops. So we actually got a finished soap, which looks like,
ta-da!
Yeah.
So this is before you actually get it in the shop, so it's kind of like a sneak peek. You get about a week before in this box.
Ooh,
so
lovely.
Good reason to get the box. But,
yeah.
So it's got mallow leaf in it, which is softening, and fresh strawberries as well. With it's got malic acid in it, so that's like deep cleansing.
And what's the perfume?
The perfume is one of Mark's, so it's more of like an old grey kind of inspired. And then the next one is the King Flannel. So these flannels are made out of cannellini beans and carrageen as well. So when Jet received the box, she uses the whole thing over her body. So you like wet it and then rub it all over your body, but I like to tear a bit off. Just wet it a bit, and then you can clean your face with it, clean your body with it. And the next thing is the summer solstice face mask. So in folklore, the lady's bedstraw transforms into fairies during the night to the summer solstice, and lavender mugwort encourages the appearance of elves and fairies. So it's all based on fairies and supernatural at summer solstice. So the oat, there's got an oat milk and lavender water in there, and gentle hydrating mugwort, and the lady's bedstraw is deep cleansing. So you put that on your face, 10 to 15 minutes, lie and relax.
I haven't got that much time. I'll just put it on my hand and shut my eyes. Yeah.
Sun stand still iPads. So in them they've got soothing marigold and chamomile.
Okay, here we go.
And you put them on with your face mask.
Oh God, it's so cold.
Thanks. Yeah, if you're straight from the fridge as well in June, that'd be amazing.
Yeah. How am I looking?
Perfect.
Sunny.
Background, sunny.
That is the life, isn't it? Very nice.
Can you see, if you look through them, do you see orange as well? So.
I daren't open my eyes. But
Final bit of the box is the standing stone, which is obviously inspired by Stonehenge. So it's a foot scrub. Are you still doing iPads?
Well, yes, I'm just playing around. Okay.
So that Stonehenge, it aligns with the sun at the solstice. Visitors gather to watch the sunrise behind the hillstone, and its first rays shine into the heart of Stonehenge. I like to snap these in half. Right, just a little bit wet, and your feet are wet as well because you're in the bath, and then you scrub your feet.
Oh my God, how lovely.
So obviously the bicarb fizzes.
Yeah.
And it's got pumice in it as well. And I use one bit for one foot and one bit for the other foot.
Makes sense.
So yeah. And then you've got lovely soft feet when you go barefoot at summer solstice.
And then you've got to rush off now to start the July box.
Yes.
So we can go through the whole process again.
Yeah.
But I hope people are enjoying these, and the products are lovely. And what we're trying to do as well is to incorporate some of the lovely products from the boxes into our range in shops. So you may see some things that you're familiar with coming out as the year goes on. So keep your eyes peeled.
Obviously these are made freshly that morning. and then post it out that same day.
I know, that's amazing, isn't it?
And then you get it in your post box the next day. So
Yeah.
freshest cosmetics you get.
Oh God, now I've let it go. It's going to float in there forever, isn't it? Sorry.